Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pull this off or not, but I wanted to show you something, and I wanted to show you it in action. And what it is, this is my computer that I'm running SDR Uno, and then over here is my computer that I'm on the internet. And a couple of weeks ago, Alan Rowe posted on swling.com this article about music programs on shortwave. He made an index. He just did this a couple weeks ago. Let me get the correct mouse here. Here we go. And then you go down after the intro here, and this is the links to the index of music on shortwave and over the years. And the latest one, of course, is at the top. You click, and I'll have a link to the SWL page down in the first comment below this video. Click on this, and it brings up the PDF. And there's the PDF. And you scroll through the PDF, and you look for what time of day it is in UTC. Like right now, it's 10:43 UTC. So I'll go down to 10:43, which I did a few minutes ago. And you can see there is a ton of stuff on shortwave. 10 to 11. Okay, and goes on. Oh, here it is, 10:30. That's where I selected. And I tried a couple of these stations like Radio Romania. Well, it's 6:43 in the morning, so here in Clearwater, Florida, so I'm not going to get anything there. I tried Voice of Vietnam, didn't get anything there. So let's try an easy one. WRMI, which is in the northeast part of the United States, I believe. That's where, I forgot. It's in the United States. So that's what I tuned to, and they're playing blues music, which I'm not that fan of. It was mainly just something to show you. And so over here at 5840, let me get my camera up. I could move my tripod up a little bit. And there you see it is playing. And there are quite a few signals. So let me get the correct mouse and let me center this little button right here. So there it is at 5.850, and it's not actually in this listing. That is weird. Or maybe I have to scroll because there's so many things. Oops, I went too far. All right, forget that. I messed that up. Let's see, 58. Come on, get down there. Boy, see, this is all the stations are on shortwave. People say, well, there's nothing on shortwave. Well, that's not true. It's just sometimes it's a little harder to receive. I mean, there's not as many as there used to be 20 years ago, but there's still plenty of stuff on shortwave, especially if I could find what I had. Okay, 58. There it is, RMI, right there. That's what I'm listening to. And it's coming in loud and clear. I could say this is just the sample. I don't like blues music. I like more like light classical music or even popular music. But if I come back over here and I move my tripod, try not to knock the camera loose. Whoa. You can look through this and find all kinds of stuff. Just, I mean, every hour, every half hour, look, it just goes on and on and on and on. So this is a great reference if you're into listening to music on shortwave. And I want to thank Alan Rowe for making these lists. Again, there's the post on SWING. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.